As we flew above these dreamy clouds, I had no idea this trip was going to be so special. Hi guys, welcome back to Maggie's Miles and Trends. This time we are exploring Goa, both north and south. And trust me, this trip had everything: peace, chaos, adventure, and a little bit of magic. We stayed near Bagator Beach in North Goa, and honestly, this place itself felt like a vibe. A peaceful street, a cozy stay, a beautiful pool view, exactly what you need to slow down and enjoy. One of the best parts, our stay had scooties available for rent. As soon as we landed, we had our lunch and didn't even think twice. We went straight to Chapora Fort Viewpoint, which was just 5 minutes away from where we stayed. The climb was short. Wait for the beautiful view. The view at the top, absolutely breathtaking. That wide open view of the sea, the wind, the silence. It was the perfect start to our Goa trip. And then came the moment that made this trip unforgettable. We are now heading to Vagator Beach. No plans, no rush, just sat down to watch the sunset. And somewhere in that moment, I remembered something. 10 years ago, during my college trip with my friends, I had the small wish to watch a sunrise or sunset with my partner. And here I was, years later, sitting by the beach, watching the sun go down with the person I once wished for. No grand plans, just conversations, laughter, and peace. And I realized some manifestations don't come instantly, they come when the moment is right. After that beautiful calm evening, we headed to explore more. We headed to Anjuna Beach just to soak in the vibe. And then made our way to Baga Beach. At the Baga, it's completely different energy, bright lights, loud music, people everywhere. You can literally feel life in that place. We ended first day with dinner right by the beach at Baga. Good food, great vibe, and that ocean sounds in the background. Honestly, couldn't have asked for a better day one. Day 2 started with another iconic spot, Lower Agoda Fort. And once again, Goa didn't disappoint. Everywhere you look, it's just beauty. The sea, the sky, the history, everything just blends perfectly. From Lower Agoda Fort, we headed to Candolim Beach. At the Candolim Beach, we took a boat ride and explored some iconic places. Do watch my short videos to see more fun moments during the trip. After covering the iconic places during that boat ride, we started a long ride to South Goa. And yes, it was a long journey, but the views, the roads, the whole experience made it totally worth it. We finally reached Palolem Beach, had our lunch, and just took a moment to relax. Compared to North Goa, this felt calmer, quieter, like a completely different side of Goa. After taking our own sweet time, then came one of the highlights of our trip. We took another boat ride and explored some most beautiful hidden spots. Sometimes the best part of traveling is not the destination, but the moments like these in between. Just the sound of the waves, salty breeze, and peace everywhere. This is our first destination, the Monkey Island. This kind of view that makes you forget everything for a while. Every turn during this ride felt like discovering a hidden side of Goa. There is something special and calming about being surrounded by nothing but the ocean. Our second viewpoint has arrived. This is the Tortoise Rock. Our next viewpoint is the Honeymoon Beach. This trip wasn't even a well planned one. It was a sudden plan made in the month of April, and somehow those unplanned trips always turn out to be the most memorable ones. And then, slowly, one of the most beautiful spots started appearing in front of us. This hidden paradise is called Butterfly Beach. And trust me, pictures don't do justice to this place. The water, the cliffs, the peaceful vibe, everything here felt magical. There is still so much more to explore in South Goa, but with the limited time we had, we explored as much as we could, and honestly, every moment was worth it. From long coastal rides to hidden beaches, boat rides, sunsets, and peaceful conversations, this trip gave us memories we'll always hold close. And while returning to the Palolem beach, we witnessed one of the most beautiful sunsets of our trip, the perfect ending before heading to North Goa. This may have been just 2 nights and 3 days trip, but the moments feel much bigger than that. If you enjoyed exploring Goa with me, don't forget to subscribe to my channel Maggie Smiles and Trends. Comment down below which part you liked the most about this trip. Until we meet next time, stay curious and stay happy.